Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing the right metal and protection. Use 1, 5 2mm steel wire or a coat hanger for strength. This matters because too thin wire will deform. Once done, cut an 8-10 cm length so the puller fits your hand and reaches switches easily. Make a small loop at one end with pliers to prevent slipping. This creates a secure catch on the switch. While you work, keep fingers clear and use steady pressure to avoid kinks that weaken the tool. Next, you form the functional shape that grips the switch. Bend one end into a U-shaped hook about 4-6 mm wide so it slips under or around the switch terminal. Width effects fit, so measure or test as you go. Make a small stop loop on the opposite side to keep the switch from slipping out during pull. Once shaped, file or sand the edges to avoid chafing wires or your fingers, and check the spring back to ensure rigidity. To finish, test your puller on a spare or low-value switch so you can refine fit without risk. You want a secure grip and smooth removal. If it slips, slightly close the U or add a small bend for tension. Make the handle comfortable with heat shrink tubing or tape so you have control. If the tool bends under load, reinforce it by wrapping another length of wire around the shaft or start over with thicker stock, because durability prevents damage during real use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.